that which all are the combination where the native or person has to face many reversal of fortune. So guys, when I say this karmic pendulum, so here I'm not only talking about like gains and losses. This could be dharma and adharma as well. Like there have been those instances in Hinduism as well, in the Eastern philosophy. Someone who was living the life of a robber or a bandit and who transformed, got illuminated and became one of the greatest philosopher. So I mean to say which all are the combinations to look forward to in the chart. So the very first thing, all of our favorite, is the 8th house. All the major sudden ups and downs generally happens because of the contribution of the 8th house. Then Rahu and Ketu are the planets of the destiny. Extreme fluctuation shift only happens because of the Rahu and Ketu. After that, see, Saturn also plays an important role. Now why? Because people who are extremely under the control of the planet Saturn, the only concern is that their success comes after a lot of the hard work in the second half of the life. What the normal people see as a miracle, they have been working hard for that. So someone being ruled by the planet Saturn in his whole first half of the life might have to struggle, might have to see lack in major areas of the life. But his hard work, Saturn rewards, but in the second half of the life. This can also be seen as a reversal of fortune with diligent hard work. Then guys, there are like certain rising signs. For example, for the Leo Lagna, like Jupiter is an important planet, but it also rules one Dushtana Bhava as well. For the Aquarius rising, now Mercury is an important planet, but Mercury also rules one Dushtana Bhava as well. So in these Lagnas, and the planet which is responsible for ruling two houses, one very auspicious and one like the house of the suddenness. Then guys, the exchange between the houses, like 2nd and 8th lord making an exchange. This could be the Parivartan Yoga, or this could be the Viprit Raj Yoga. Exchange between the 6th, 8th, 12th. That can also give rise to that. So guys, whenever we talk about these kind of astrological charts, with the reversal of fortune happen a lot, you will generally find ascendant lord making a connection with the 8th house, exchange between the 2nd house, 8th house, 10th house, 8th house, Parivartan Yoga, Viprit Raj Yoga, Rahu and Ketu to be strengthened, Rahu and Ketu to be active in the dasha. So then you can say that in the life of this person, you cannot come to any conclusion by looking at the current state of that person, because it can get transformed any point of time.